Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your GitHub README into a LinkedIn case study, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your GitHub account and navigating to the repository containing your README file. Locate the README file, typically positioned at the bottom of your repository's file list. Click on the README file to open it. In the top right corner, find the Raw button. Click on the Raw button to view the file in plain text. Select all the text in the README file. Right-click and choose Copy to copy the content to your clipboard. Next, open a new tab in your web browser and navigate to LinkedIn. Log in to your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, head to your profile page. Locate the Featured section on your profile. Within the Featured section, click on the plus sign to add a new item. Choose Post from the options presented. In the Post Creation area, click on Write an Article. You will be directed to the article editor. In the title field, input a clear and engaging title for your case study. In the Body section, right-click and select Paste to insert the copied README content. Edit the text to ensure it aligns with LinkedIn's professional tone and format. Consider adding images or screenshots from your project to enhance visual appeal. Use formatting options to highlight key points, such as headers or bullet points. Add links to any relevant resources or your GitHub repository for context. Once satisfied with the content, double-check for any spelling or grammatical errors. Finally, click on the Publish button to share your article with your network. Your GitHub README is now successfully transformed into a LinkedIn case study. Feel free to promote your case study by sharing it with your connections or in relevant groups. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.